This is texture or whipped paste, so this is a game changer. If you have clients that are, you know, short to medium length, you know, even your guys that have longer hair, but they want a little bit of texture in there and some hold, what you want to do with this product is you want to pop this in when the hair is damp and you want to style it into the hair. If you blow dry it, it will really set an amazing foundation for your short styles, and then you can use it as well once the style's in and add it in dry. And the great part about this product is that it is a very, very lightweight product, but it will still have good hold in the hair. If you have clients that are fine, let's say you're fine short hair guys or ladies, they have a very tough time finding a product that will work, that's not going to get their hair greasy and weigh it down. This is the product. Again, once you get your clients on this, they are going to be hooked.